Welcome to our channel, where we simplify the complex world of land, buying in the U.S. for you. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify the complex world of land, buying in the U.S. for you. Buying land can seem overwhelming, but following a clear, step-by-step process makes it much easier. First, decide the purpose of your land purchase. Are you looking for investment, a place to build your dream home, or just a retreat? Once you've defined your goal, research the locations that fit your criteria, including proximity to amenities, future development plans, and zoning restrictions. Next, set a budget that includes the purchase price and additional costs like taxes, insurance, and closing fees. After that, begin searching for properties through online real estate platforms, local agents, or land auctions. When you find potential land, physically visiting the site is crucial to understand its topography, access roads, and utilities. Then conduct detailed due diligence, checking for clear titles, environmental restrictions, and necessary permits with the help of a real estate attorney or land specialist. If everything checks out, make an offer or place a bid if at auction. Once your offer is accepted, proceed with a title search and secure financing if needed. Finally, complete the closing process by signing the legal documents and recording the deed. With these steps, purchasing land in the U.S. becomes manageable and straightforward. Don't forget to keep all your documents organized throughout the process and consult professionals when needed. This method ensures you avoid common pitfalls and make your land buying investment a success.